Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be sharing my experience and honest thoughts on using Home Chef while I cook one of the meal kits I ordered this week. This video is not sponsored and I've always paid for the meal kits with my own money. I've been using this service consistently for the last 20 months, so spoiler alert, I'm a big fan. So let's get into it. First off, what is it? Home Chef is a meal kit delivery service that offers over 35 meals and 18 extras to choose from every week, and you can always easily skip deliveries at no charge. The menus change every week and they're consistently adding new recipes as well as bringing back fan favorites. They have a super easy to use app where you can look at and select which meals you'd like in your upcoming deliveries, and you can see the future menus and decide what meals you'd like to order up to a month in advance. The kits available are divided into different sections, starting with meal kits. These are classic meal kits with pre-portioned ingredients and simple instructions. Then there is a section for express kits. These are still meal kits with pre-chopped ingredients that come together in 30 minutes or less. So these are great options for weeknights. Then there is an oven ready section. These are pre-chopped ingredients ready to assemble in an oven safe tin that they send you. So these are my absolute favorite for the days I'm working in office and I still want to come home and cook, but I don't want it to take very long and I want minimal cleanup. So these oven ready kits are great because I'm still cooking, but it's just so easy to throw all the ingredients together in these tin pans, and at the end, I just throw it away. Makes my life so much easier. They also have a fast and fresh section, which are easy kits that you can throw together and cook in the microwave. I honestly have never ordered from that section before, but it's a great option for somebody who has limited time and limited access to a stove or oven. There is also a section for heat and eat options, which are already prepared microwave ready meals. And again, I haven't tried those meals either. And lastly, they have a bunch of extras they offer every week, like appetizers, sides, breakfast options, desserts, salad kits, extra protein, and more. I've ordered all different types of extras from them and they're honestly so delicious. It's really nice to have a few little things that I can heat up quickly or to throw a snack together without having to go to the grocery store that week. Okay, so today I've decided to cook this creamy corn and tomato tortellini with herby panko. This is a vegetarian meal. I am not vegetarian, but this pasta just looked amazing. And it is one of the express meals, so it's only gonna take us 20 to 30 minutes to throw it together. And this will be my lunch, and I'll have leftovers for dinner. They do send these gorgeous recipe cards in the box, but all of these recipes are also available in my app under my cookbook tab, so I'm able to remake these recipes whenever I want. I still have all my recipes even from last year, and I even keep the recipes and put them in a binder, so I have like a physical Home Chef cookbook. I'm gonna get started with this, and then I wanna get into all the pros and cons of this service and why I've been such a loyal customer the last couple of years. Okay, so before you cook, wash hands thoroughly with soap and water. Done. Remove all produce from any packaging or constraints, then thoroughly rinse and pat dry. Ingredients used more than once is going to be the butter. I'm gonna have these tomatoes and minced chives, so I'm gonna get those washed first. It's currently Saturday and I received these on Monday, and in terms of freshness, like these chives and these tomatoes are still going strong. So I know that can be a really big concern for people when they consider starting with one of these meal services, but I would say that Home Chef does do a really good job sourcing vegetables and herbs that are going to stay fresh throughout the week. So even if you're cooking at the end of the week like I am right now. Okay, so now place a medium nonstick pan over medium heat and add a quarter of the butter. Reserve remaining for corn and tortellini. Stir often until melted 1 to 2 minutes. And then add panko to hot pan and stir occasionally until golden brown 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer panko to a plate and stir in chives until combined. Wipe pan clean and keep over medium-high heat. Pan will be hot use caution. Add cream base, half a cup of water, pesto, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to hot pan. Stir to combine and bring to a simmer. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 of the remaining butter, corn, and a pinch of salt to hot pan. Cook undisturbed until golden brown, 2 to 3 minutes. Add red pepper flakes to taste and stir occasionally until combined, 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, that is lightly simmering, so I'm going to add a piece of butter. I don't like anything too spicy, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes. Once simmering, add tortellini and tomatoes to hot pan, cover, and stir occasionally until tortellini is heated through, 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from burner, stir in cheese and remaining butter until combined. Plate dishes pictured on front of card, topping tortellini with toasted panko. This is absolutely gorgeous and I'm so excited to get into it. Here's the final product for today. Taste test. I already know it's gonna be good, but here we go. That is tasty. That is so good. Oh my god. Okay. I want to get into my long list of pros of this meal kit delivery service. So number 1, I almost never have to go to the grocery store anymore. The only reason I go to the grocery store is for things like coffee, coffee creamer, random snacks, or just like the occasional thing that I'm really craving. Even when I have guests or I'm cooking with my boyfriend, I use and share these meal kits. And they do have like family size meal kits that automatically come with 4 servings, but you could also just double up on any meal kit that you choose to get more servings, which is honestly what I do if I know I'm having guests. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and I know I'm going to be serving something beautiful and delicious. The second pro of this service, I cook so much now. I cook every day, nearly every meal, and that just makes me so happy. Most of the things that are stressful about cooking are just no longer an issue with this service, and I just get to enjoy all the fun parts. And in my area, my meal kit gets delivered every Monday, which is such an amazing way to start the week off. And that really supports the kind of lifestyle I want to live. speaking of shipping, I live in the suburbs outside of Boston, and Home Chef uses VHO as their shipping carrier to deliver my boxes. And in the last 20 months of using this service, I have only had a delivery come late once, and it was only 1 day late, which to me is an outstanding track record. Like, I find this service very reliable. And as far as taste goes, I would say 95% of the meals I ordered, I've given 5 stars. Like, Home Chef has some seriously delicious recipes, and they really know how to throw a sauce together. The main reason that I've stuck with the service so long is because the meals are consistently so good. Another reason I love this service, and this is pretty niche, but it's really become an important system in my binge eating disorder recovery. And that's because 1, it takes out the work and stress of grocery shopping and thinking about putting meals together. 2, it takes out the stress of thinking about what to cook and how to make it exciting. 3, because they supply all the nutrition info for every recipe. 4, it was a controlled way for me to start allowing myself to eat foods I actually wanted to eat, like pasta, on a regular basis and in a portion size that was right for me. I'd be happy to talk more about this if anyone's interested, but for now, I'll just say that this has been a really powerful recovery tool for me. Another pro, because all of the nutrition info is available for the recipes in the app, it makes it super easy for anyone to incorporate these meals and recipes if they're counting calories or counting macros. You can also filter through the meal kits based on your particular diet. So they have options for people who are carb conscious, calorie conscious, vegetarian, people who like to eat high protein, people who like to eat gluten smart, people who are keto, people who are pescatarian, Mediterranean, and of course you can filter out your allergies as well. They also give out extras and rewards from time to time, like free shipping, or for example, I just got 4 weeks of a free extra thrown into my boxes because they were running a promotion last month that if I ordered 3 out of 4 weeks, then I would get this reward. Another pro, as somebody who does live alone, one of the things that used to be really hard for me about shopping and making unique and interesting recipes was that there would always end up being parts of ingredients I wouldn't use, or just leftover ingredients that were expensive, but if I couldn't think of another way to use them, then they would end up going to waste. I always hated that, so I like that everything is sent to me in the perfect portion and the exact amount that I'm gonna need for the recipe, and there's not gonna be any waste or leftovers that I'm not gonna use. Now, in terms of cons or drawbacks with this service, I can only really think of a couple. The first being that you are probably paying more to make these recipes and to prepare these 2 servings than you would if you just bought the ingredients yourself and tried to make the recipe. That's kind of a given. Like, it's a meal service with people who are employed. They are shipping things to me. They are creating convenience and offering a lot of value. There are chefs creating recipes. Like, there's a lot of work being done that obviously needs to be paid for somehow. So yes, this is going to be more expensive than if you bought the ingredients yourself and made these recipes. This recipe in particular comes out to $11.99 per serving, plus I was charged $10.99 for shipping for the whole box. For my box this week, I had ordered 4 meal kits, which are 2 servings each, and I got that free extra that I mentioned before, which was a snickerdoodle cookie skillet. So for the 8 meals that I'm gonna have this week, in total, I paid $100.91. So on average this week, each meal that I'm eating is costing me $12.60. You can obviously make more affordable meals by going to the grocery store, getting ingredients together, and cooking for yourself. So the cost can absolutely be a drawback. To me, it's worth it, but because before I started using this service, I was ordering food out all the time and was paying way more than $12. So to me, it has actually ended up saving me money from how I was eating before. Another con is that every once in a while, I will get some type of produce that is not the freshest or the highest quality. Obviously, I'm not picking out the produce that is being shipped to me. Like last week, for example, I got a meal kit with 2 potatoes and I found that one of the potatoes was very brown on the inside, so I did end up having to throw it away. And I'm not gonna lie, this does happen every once in a while. Maybe like once a month, I'll get a meal kit with some type of produce that is not the greatest and I end up not using it in the recipe or trying to cut around the parts that don't look the best and then trying to use what's left. So that definitely is a drawback with this service. It's not always gonna be perfect produce. And I think in the 2 years I've been using the service, there's been one time where one of the packages of protein I received wasn't completely sealed, so that was not food that I was able to cook with. The good thing about this is that anytime I have ever reached out to Home Chef customer service, they take full ownership and they do reimburse me for the food that I can't use. And more than once, it has been that if even like 1 or 2 things are missing or there's just like some key component missing, they refund me for the whole meal kit, which is great. I mean, it does mean I might have to go to the store and replace an item, but if I don't necessarily need to do that and I can just skip out on a piece, then I'll do that, and the meal got comped. So I will say Home Chef has amazing customer service and I've never been disappointed with how they responded to an issue I was having with an order, which is super infrequent. Like in the last year, I don't think I've had to reach out to them at all. So I would say in the time that I've been using the service, the quality has actually improved. One other con that I can think of, and this doesn't pertain to me because I'm very organized and I use a calendar, but if you're not someone who's very organized and you don't use the calendar, I could see how you might have issues with remembering to place your order or edit your order and making sure you're submitting everything you want correctly before the deadline. For me, that's Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So I always have a reminder in my phone every Friday morning to make sure that I update my order so that I'm getting the number of meal kits that I want as well as the specific recipes and food that I want. So I've never had an issue with this, but I could see how someone could get disorganized and then end up being shipped something that they didn't want because they forgot. But yeah, other than these 3 things, I really can't think of a con to this service. Okay, one last con I wanted to mention is all of the plastic. So every ingredient is separated into its own little plastic container or baggie. So that is definitely a drawback with these meal kits because sustainability is obviously very important. Yeah, so I'm on their website right now. They do give guidance on how to recycle their packaging. So bottles, jars, portion cups, they kind of walk you through like what's reusable and then which items are which number plastic. So that being said, like not everything can go into your curbside recycling bin. The boxes, dividers, recipe cards, those can all be recycled in your curbside recycling. Yeah, so they do break it down nicely on their website. Some things can go in and some things can't. So that is definitely a con with using this service. And I hope over time they're able to improve on this more and more. So I did want to make sure I included that in this video. But yeah, I absolutely love this service. It really has changed my life on a daily and weekly basis. And if you're curious about it, I highly recommend. They always have a great starter promotion for anyone who wants to give the service a try. For example, right now for new customers, they have an offer for 15 free meals and free shipping. Really good promotion and a good way to try out this service and see if it fits into your lifestyle and if you enjoy the food and the process and to judge the quality for yourself. Okay, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy to answer anything. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. I'm gonna finish this meal and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.